Hey guys, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia, and today I wanted to give you a quick tip in regards to our enamel dots. Now, in our current 2020-2021 annual catalogue, we have our gold glitter enamel dots and our in colour enamel dots, and I know there have been a number of people having problems, and as you can see from these gold glitter enamel dots, I have had those problems as well. And basically the problem is that you can split the clear dome from the coloured backing, and I wanted to show you two ways to get off your enamel dots without having the coloured backing splitting from the clear dome. Okay, so how people split them is by using something pointy such as the end of the scissors or a paper piercer and just going directly in, and you manage to split the dome like that. So the way I get them off, I take my putty end of my take your pick tool, and I've been just using this on another craft project, so I just refashion my putty, and what I do is I literally push the dot off that's sitting on the end of the putty, and it's ready to place on my project. And exactly the same principle works. Now you do need to, you feel like you're going to split it, but trust me, you're not going to. You get to a point where it just releases and it's just stuck to the edge of the putty and it's ready to go on the project. I'll show you again on one of these gold glitter dots. Yep. Haha, it wants it. So because I didn't put any pressure, that didn't go anywhere, and you can split, you can pop it off. The other way to do it is to take your sheet away from the cardboard backing and to bend it. So you can see straight away there my large dots have lifted off the plastic, and I can quite easily just pop in my, oh, got the shakes there, hang on. So I can quite easily pop in my scissors, pop that back down, and none of the others went there, and I can also pop this down on my project ready to go. And same with our coloured enamel dots. So I just pop it around my finger, put the scissors or whatever you're using, whether it be take your pick tool or the scissors, and you can just pop that on your project. So it is really easy to get them off without splitting them. You've either got to use the putty end to push them off, or just bend the plastic and just get right under the enamel dot so you don't split the colour from the dome. I hope that has given you a helpful tip to help you in your crafting. If you would like to purchase any of these enamel dots or anything else out of the catalogue, please contact me and I will catch you for another quick tip really soon. Thanks for stopping by.